So hello to all my viewers, I am Akash Roy and welcoming you to my channel Akash Time Education। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप आज बहुत सारे लोग आप लोगों का रिजल्ट जो है जेई एडवांस 2020 का जिसका आपको बेसब्री से इंतजार था, वो रिजल्ट आज आ चुका है। तो जो सारे लोग इस एग्जाम में क्वालिफाई हो तो उन सारे लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, आप जो सारे लोग इस एग्जाम में अपियर हुए थे आप लोगों को आपका जो रिजल्ट है वो चेक करना पड़ेगा। सो हाउ टू चेक, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट हाउ टू चेक your result, and the second one is how to start counseling process. In the next video we are talking about briefly about the counseling process, but in this video we just talk about the how to check the result, your result card, and also how to check the final answer key, and how to start the JOSA counseling. So at first, if you see here, this is the official website of the JEE Advanced 2020, JEE Advanced jeadv.ac.in. This is the official website now. So I can give you the link in the description box where you can go and you can open this page. And after opening this page, what you have to do, at the first notice, if you see the notice for the candidates, in the first notice you can just see for the JEE Advanced 2020 result. You can click here. So after clicking on that blue color position, you just open that page in front of you where you can apply your advanced roll number, your birth date, month and year, and your phone number, and after submitting that you can get your rank card. Okay, this is your rank card, and in this process you can check your JEE advanced result. So this is a short process, very short process. You can just go now and check the total your answer and result, your final result for JEE Advanced 2020. And now talk about the final answer key. So here in the in just beside of the this link, you can just get another link which is the final answer key. Here it is the final answer key where my hand sign is over it. So if you click here, just if you click in that link, then again, wait a minute, yes, you can see the final answer key come to you. Here the paper 1 and paper 2, which paper do you give? You just choose that paper, physics, chemistry or math, in paper 1 or paper 2, and that you can choose that your paper number and just click the paper. And you can also see the answer key by downloading. If you click here, you can the final answer key will download in front of you. So that's the manner that you have to approach. And the last one, and how to you can start your counseling for IITs, GITs, triple ITs or NITs. So you have to check the JOSA website. So what is the JOSA website? That is the JOSA website link. The JOSA website link. This is the JOSA website link, and your counseling will start from 6th of October 2020, from tomorrow. I will tell you this thing almost 5 to 10 days ago. I know that thing, and I can tell you that thing. So the qualified students will go to the JOSA website, and if you click the JOSA website, then the page will open in front of you. Yes, JOSA Seat Allotment Authority 2020 for IITs, NITs, IIEST, triple ITs, and other GFITs. So that is the page where you can see for the JEE Main and Advanced. That is your home page, and from here you can start your counseling process. So that's all for now. I think that's all for in this video. And if you qualifying the JEE Advanced, then is a very I am very happy to all of you. You can get admission in defined IITs. And if you don't cross the cutoff marks, then don't feel sad, as because many IITs, triple IITs is waiting for you. You just go to the JOSA page, and after choice filling you can get some NITs and triple ITs, which you can do your B architecture or BTech properly. So thank you for all, thank you for watching. If you are not subscribing our channel, I told you that to subscribe it, as because if we keep that kind of videos very frequently, and that will be very helpful for you in future. So thank you for watching. Thank you to all.